Crafty. Today I have an unbagging from DIYDigitalArt. This was sent to me by the company for review, so I got to choose what I wanted to try out, and they sent it to me. So I didn't pay for these, just putting that out up front, but let's get into the package. Before we do though, if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on a regular basis. So I have my trusty scissors. Let's dig into what's inside. We have a number of items. I see a cross stitch. So we have 3 items. We're going to open this one first. We'll open the lightest package up. Besides the cross stitch, we can open that last. Ooh. Okay, so it is poured glue. And it looks like it's the sun and the moon. Very pretty. It's like a celestial type diamond painting. And here's a thumbnail. It measures, I'm going to say 30 by 30, so it doesn't say on here. Here's a look at the schematic. So light symbols on dark backgrounds, vice versa. I think this one's really cute, and I think, like, even though it's 30 by 30, it should turn out really well. Oh, you get your basic kit, and then the drills come in these great packages. I love when drills come in these packages because you know they're going to be good. I won't pull all of them out, but we will take a look into the bag so we can see a few of the colors. Here's some of the colors, some bright blues, yellow, orange, a little bit of green, black. So 19 colors. We'll test out the stickiness. Yes, can confirm it is sticky. This will be a good snack size painting. If you're like me, I like doing smaller paintings in between my big projects. So this one will be easy to pump out. There's a lot of color blocking. So color blocking all in here. Some confetti, a little bit over here and like in these little star areas. But I think it should be really good. And I really like this image. I think it's super cute. So yeah, what do you think about this image? Let me know in the comments down below. So here's the information. There's the thumbnail if you want to see. And then it would be $3.50, but that's $3.50 US, I believe. So if you did want to get this, it'd be $3.50 US. Again, it measures 30 by 30. And I like on their website, it says get it between, and then it tells you when you can expect to receive it. So they ship really quickly. Like, I think this got to me in 2 weeks after I told them what I wanted to see. So this, I really like how they have that get it between these dates. Move on to the next one. Let me put this away. Okay, now we'll move on to this big one. I don't remember which one this is. I'm trying to think, but I can't remember which one this is. Let's see. Oh, there's a lot of drills in here. I can just, like, it's a thick package. Thick. Oh, okay, I remember. So this is Faces of the Moon. So you can see there's going to be a lot of 310 color blocking. And this one is a long one. Oh no! Oh, a little bit of glue got stuck here. So that sucks, but... So here you get 2 toolkits for this one because it is a big baby. And it measures 115 by 30 centimeters. And here's the thumbnail. Take a look. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to fit this into one frame because it is over 1 meter long, but we can take a look. I think this one will be really pretty, and this would be cute like in a bedroom maybe or something like that. We'll take a look at the drill field. The drill field looks clear. It does look clear on camera and it looks clear in person. You can see all of this is going to be B. So it's going to all be 310. So it's a lot of color blocking. The way I might work on this is I would probably do like section it out moon by moon. So I would do this part first and then move on to this part and then do the moon or this one on its own, this one on its own, so really big section, and then same thing, doing them section by section. Here we can take a look at our schematic. It has the DMC codes, and there's 20 colors, which is like, you wouldn't think that there'd be 20 colors, because literally it looks like a black and gray image, but I like that there are 20 colors, because that just means it's going to be detailed, which is awesome. So we'll take a look at the drills. It's going to be a lot of 310. I can promise you that. So here are the drills. So we have some whites, or bluish whites, grays, lots of grays. And then the majority of it is 310. So lots of packages of 310. But again, I like the drills that come in these packages because they're usually really good quality. So that was the moon. What do you guys think about the moon? Let me know in the comments down below. I really like this one. And I feel like there was a theme to my ordering because the other one was the sun and the moon and this one's just the moon. Let's see how much this one was. So here is the thumbnail for it from the website. Oh, look, this would be so pretty above your bed. So nice. Okay, so it costs $12.75. I believe that's American. Don't quote me on that. And apparently 17 people are viewing this right now. Who knows if that's true, but I like their website because, again, it has that get it between date on there, so you know when you can expect it. Okay, let's open up the last one. Move that aside. So here we have a cross stitch kit. I've never bought a printed cross stitch kit before, but I figured since they were asking me to pick what I'd like to review, I was like, oh, well, I've never tried this, so I'd love to review this cross stitch kit. And of course I got a little butterfly because they're so pretty. And it comes with instructions on the back for how to cross stitch, how to choose thread color, how to stitch, and then just some notes to keep in mind. So let's open it up to see what all is inside this kit. Is there an opening? I think we go like this. It's like a Ziploc bag. Okay. Pull this stuff out. So here, it's a small butterfly. It measures 90 stitches by 54 stitches, I believe. That's how you read it. And then down here, so it's much like diamond painting, I guess, because it has like the symbol, the color of thread that you need. This is pretty neat. And then here are, instead of drills, you get thread or floss. Sorry, I'll call it floss. You guys will be like, actually, you call it floss, but actually it's thread. No, I don't know what it is. And then you get 2 needles here. And then you get a printed version of the butterfly. So this would be nice, like if you already did the printed, you already finished this, and you wanted to do another butterfly, you have this pattern to go off of, or maybe you can send it to your friend or whatever if they're interested in cross-stitching this butterfly. And then just the cover. So that's a pretty neat thing. I'm really excited, and this is just one I can do on the couch while Clayton's watching his horrible television shows. Or if we're going somewhere and I like have to wait for something or whatever, I can just bring this with me. It's small enough to transport, just put it in like a project bag or something like that. And yeah, I really like this. So these were my choices from DIY Digital Art. Again, they did send these kits to me to review on my channel. I did not pay for them, but from looking at their website, it looks like they have a ton of different choices. And again, you do have to be sure when ordering from companies like this that you're not ordering stolen artwork. You can use Tineye or Google reverse search, but check them out and let me know in the comments below your thoughts on everything. Which one was your favorite? Was it the sun and the moon? Was it the moon? Let me know all the things. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on a regular basis, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!